Okay, my dear students, very good morning to you. Today we are going to see how active voice to passive voice models change into passive form. Every sentences change into passive form. We have learned many models in active voice and how they are changed into passive voice. So let's take a recap. Recap means let us see what we have earlier learned. Okay, now first simple present model. Ramana spoke Tamil. Sorry, simple present. Ramana speak Tamil. Ramana speaks Tamil. This is a model of simple present tense. Tense number 1. How it is changed? First analyze the sentence. Subject Ramana, verb speaks, object is Tamil. Change the object into, we have to follow the 5 rules. First change the object into subject. What is the object of the sentence? Tamil. Look at the verb. Verb is speak. The 3 conjugations of speak, speak, spoke and spoken. So verb is in V1. So what is the object? Tamil. Tamil is singular or plural or singular. So present singular B form. Present singular B form. Yam is both are present singulars, whereas R is present plural. So here the object is singular, so we have to use singular present B form. Tamil is next B3 of the past participle of the verb. Speak is spoken. Tamil is spoken. And use the preposition by, and Ramana here subject changes as object. Now the sentence is read. Tamil is spoken by Ramana. That is PV model to PV form of Ramana speaks Tamil. Going for the simple past example. Rupa played football. Rupa played football. Subject Rupa, verb played, object is football. Change the object into subject. What is the object? Football. Look at the verb played. Played is past tense. So football singular or plural or singular. So past singular B form. Was is past singular and whereas work is past plural. So football is singular. So use the past singular B form was football was, and V3 of the play is played, 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 played. So football was played. Use the preposition by, and Rupa subject changes as object. Of the sentence, football was played by Rupa. Okay, now next continuous model. Let's see. Chaitanya is drawing a picture. Is drawing a picture. Subject is Chaitanya, verb is drawing, and object is a picture. Change the object into subject. A picture. Here, next look at the verb. Verb, which tense is this? This is in present continuous. How can we say? As per the formula of tense number 2, present continuous, subject plus yam is or plus D1 plus in plus object. So now change the object, a picture as subject, and a picture is also singular. So use correct present singular B form is. A picture is. Next here observe. B form plus B1 plus in plus object. When subject, when the verb is in the continuous. In active voice, in passive voice, we have to use the word being. Being is a B form. Am I clear? When subject, when active voice in continuous model, we have to use B form after being in passive voice. So a picture is being. Next, the 3 forms of draw are draw, do, drawn. Draw, do, So the past participle of the verb draw is drawing. A picture is being drawn. What is the next word is to be used? By. And Chaitanya subject changes as object. Okay, now that is the PV model. PV. Next, one more example on past continuous. The same way, no change. While for a present continuous and past continuous, only B forms change. Lalita was distributing sweets. Lalita was distributing sweets. This is a model of past continuous. Tense number 6. Subject Lalita, verb was distributing, object sweets. Change the object into subjects. Sweets. And sweets singular or plural? Sweets plural. But you may find here the subject Lalita is singular, so we have used the singular B form verb. But whereas the object sweets change as subject, we have to use past plural B form verb. So Lalita sweets were verb is in continuous. So what we have to use? Being. Sweets were being distributed. Past participle is distributed. Sweets were distributing. Distributed. By Lalita changes as object, as subject here Lalita is subject changes as Lalita. So sweets were being distributed by Lalita. That is one example here. Next, present past perfect and present perfect model. Okay, na? Yuva has driven the new car. Yuva has driven the new car. Subject Yuva, verb has driven, object the new car. This is an example for present perfect model. Present perfect what? What's the formula? Subject plus have or has plus be plus object. Change the object into subject. So the new car next. Here Yuva singular so has, and new car is also, new car also denotes singular, so we have to use new car has. In active voice, whenever we find have, has or had, we have to use the word being after has or have or had. Okay, now based on the subject. And the subject ekavachanam aithe he has present lo, ade bahuvachanam aithe have. Past perfect lo aithe singular ki plural ki had. The new car has been. V3 of the verb. Past participle is drive is driven. Driven. The new car has been driven by a subject. Yuva changes as object. Yes, object. The new car has been driven by Yuva. Again, listen on the board. Subject Yuva has a driven. Subject verb and object is the new car. Change the object into subject, the new car, and use the perfect be form has, and you use the been, the be form, and the new car has been, and past participle the verb drive is driven. So new car has been driven, use the preposition by, and subject Yuva changes as object. So the sentence is the new car has been driven by Yuva. Next, how it is in the past perfect tense number. Tense, how it is changed, how past perfect, what is the difference between present perfect and past perfect? Dharani had paid the bills. Dharani had paid the bills. Subject Dharani, verb had paid, object is the bills. In active voice, for singular we use, for perfect tenses has, for plural we have used have. But whereas both for singular and plural, in past perfect we use only, in perfect we use past tense we use only had only, whether it is singular or plural. So change the object, the bills, and had also, when had comes in PV, all we have to use been. The bills have been paid, paid, and use the preposition by, and subject Dharani has been changed as object Dharani. See, but whereas just you compare this same difference between present perfect and past perfect. This is a tense number 3. This is present perfect. Here subject you are and verb has dragon. The object is the cause. But whereas in past perfect, Dharani subject, had paid object, had paid is verb and object is the bills. In singular, object changes subject, the bills, and had and been used. Here the new car has been, here has is there, and here had. This is present perfect, this is past perfect. But in singular, for plurals, both for singular and plural we use only had in past. But whereas in present tense, for singulars we use has, for plural we use have. Okay, the bills have been paid by the day. Okay, now that is model. Next, auxiliary models on auxiliary. I shall give you a book. Subject I, verb shall give, object is a book. Okay now. Change the object into subject. Object a book. Here we remember one point. For first persons, I and we can use either will or shall, but remaining all persons we have to use will. Do not feature be. భవిష్యత్తును తెలిపే వాక్యాలలో ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ అయిన ఐకి వీకి మన will కానీ shall కానీ ఉపయోగించుకోవచ్చు. కానీ మిగిలిన వాటన్నిటికీ కూడా మనం will ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ I కాబట్టి I shall అనొచ్చు. కాదు అంటే will కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ మిగిలిన వాటన్నిటికీ కూడా మనం will ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ ఏ బుక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే ఏ బుక్ will shall వస్తే ఇక్కడ బుక్ shall ది రాదు. ఇక్కడ రిమెంబర్ just what I have told you, for first persons I and we can use either will or shall, but whereas remaining all subjects for all persons we have to use only will. So when the object is a book, it's a becomes a subject, a book, but we should use only will but not shall. A book, whenever you find the sentence start with either will or can, may, might, must, dare, need, is to, ought to, was to, we have to use be after will of the word. A book will be and three forms of give, gave, given. Give, gave, given. A book will be given. Just here remember one point first. Just a small, just only one point. I will give you a book. I will give you a book. So this is object 1. This is object 2. Come on. A book will be given. A book will be given to you by. I change it into me. Here we can rewrite the sentence. The sentence has two objects. One is you, another is object, a book. So first we have written the sentence using the subject object, a book. A book will be given to you by me. We can now rewrite using the sentence you. Another passive form. A sentence which has two objects can be written in passive voice two ways. So we have here changed the passive into using the object a book. But here now we are going to change the sentence into passive voice by using the object you. You will be given a book. Use the preposition by and I change it to me. These are the examples. Okay now? Remember, reminding we will see tomorrow. Okay boys, please don't waste your time at home. Keep doing the exercises at our home so that you will have the grammar in your mind. Okay now? Let's meet tomorrow.